Sai Ram. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series. Your coach is Mrs. Kalpana Hablekar, and let us learn today make small letters with the words continued lesson. Okay. So, the sounds of the consonant G. Yes. Now, G has how many sounds? Correct. 2 sounds. Okay. So, we will see them. G and J. So, what are the words with G? Yes, correct. Goat, God, then grill. Okay. And what are the words of with J? Ginger. Yes, correct. Yes. See, ginger, Jim, giraffe, all is J. Correct? Okay. So, let us see what it is. Now, we will read out. The consonant letter G has 2 sounds, G and J. Okay. Example of words with G sound are goat, G-O-A-T, goat, gold, G-O-L-D, gold, get, G-E-T, get, gate, G-A-T-E, gate, and game, G-A-M-E, game. Now, have you all seen goat? Yes, we all have seen goat, right? G-O-A-T, goat. Again, it is a domestic animal or a wild animal? Yes, domestic animal. Then gold, G-O-L-D, gold. Again, it is a precious metal. Okay. So, gold, silver, diamond, stones, okay, and then platinum are all precious metals. With that we make ornaments, jewelry, okay. Then get, when you want something, you go to buy something, I get a book, I want to get a book, okay. So, get. Then gate, yesterday in the previous class we saw gate, isn't it? Robbers won't come inside or unwanted people won't come inside your house. So, the big gate is there, okay, gate. And game, game means all of us like to play games. Yes, game. We also have game time, right, after every session. Very good, okay. Example of the words with J sound are ginger. You know ginger? Yes, don't like to eat, but it is very good for health. So, it is always like that. When something is good for health, we do not want it, okay, but we should try to eat little ginger every day. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Then giraffe, it is not giraffe, it is giraffe, okay. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Then gym, okay. All of you go to the gym? Yes, some of you are very small. So, when you grow to a certain age, you can go to the gym, okay. And gymnastics. So, during sports time, when you climb up something and then you jump and then you swing and all, that is called as gymnastics, okay. So, it is a new word, gymnastics, okay. Even gym is a new word, ginger is a new word, and giraffe is also a new word, okay. So, we will learn the spellings later on. Yeah, see, ginger, those of you who have not seen ginger, yeah, it comes underground, okay. And then giraffe, see, such a beautiful animal, right. So, you should say thank you to God, but giraffe is not a domestic animal, okay. It is a, yes, wild animal, but though it is not carnivorous, herbivorous. Now, what is carnivorous and herbivorous? Carnivorous means it eats another animal, okay, and herbivorous means it eats grass, leaves, all that. So, giraffe is a herbivorous, okay, very good. So, now let us form some small letter words with G, okay. The 2 sounds in G, J and G, okay. G-O, go. So, it is G and O. Yes, we will say G plus O. Okay, go. So G plus O is go. Okay. The next word is God. So G plus O plus D. So G always for God is capital. Okay. So G plus O plus D, it is God. Then gone, Gone, gone. Okay. So G plus O plus N plus E. So G O N E, gone. G O N E, gone. Okay. Then grow. G plus R plus O plus W. So G, G, R, O, W is V, grow. Okay. But don't say grow. Okay. It is grow. So it is G, R, O, W, grow. G, R, O, W, grow. Now we will take the next word, ground. G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. Okay. So G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. Okay. G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. Okay. Then it is grill. So G, R, I, L, L, grill. So G, R, E, L, L, grill. G, R, E, L, L, grill. Okay. So let us now repeat all the words again. G, O, go. G plus O, go. Then God, G, O, D, God. So G should always be capital because we have learnt when we are learning it. So G is God. G, O, D, God. G, O, D, God. Gone, G, O, N, E, gone. So G, O, N, E, gone. Okay. G, R, O, W, grow. G, R, O, V, grow. Then ground. G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. G, R, O, U, N, D, ground. Then grill. G, R, I, L, L, grill. So G, R, E, L, L, grill. Okay. Yes. Now let us go to the next. Grease. G, R, E, A, S, E, grease. Now what do you mean by grease? See, when certain vehicles, sometimes that grease comes out, that oilish. Yeah, it is called grease. So G plus R plus E plus A plus S plus E, grease. Okay. So G, R, E, A, S, E, Greece. G, R, E, A, S, E, Greece. Okay. So it's a new word. Now grey. Grey is a color. G plus R plus E plus Y. So grey. G, R, E, Y. Grey. Okay. Then grim. All these words we will see in the dictionary. Okay. G plus R plus I plus M. Grim. Okay. G, R, E. Grim. G, R, E. Grim. Okay. Then great. Yes. I am great. Plus R plus E plus A plus T. Okay. So G, R, E, A, T. G, R, E, A, T. Great. G, R, E, A, T. Great. Okay. Good. Now growth. Okay. Growth. G, R, O, W, T, H. Okay. G, R, O, W, T, H. Growth. G, R, O, W, T, H. Growth. Okay. So it is a silent here. W is silent. So G, R, O, W, T, H. Growth. Okay. The next word is goat. G plus O plus A plus T. Okay. So now goat is again a domestic animal. Okay. So goat also gives us milk. So it is very good for health also. Certain asthma and all those wheezing coughs all will go if we drink goat milk, they say. So G, G, O, A, T. Goat. G, O, A, T. Goat. Okay. So Greece. Let us say the spelling again. G, R, E, A, S, E. Greece. G, R, E, A, S, E. Greece. Okay. I want all of you to repeat, please. G, R, E, A, S, E. Greece. Very good. Then grey. G, R, E, Y. Grey. G, R, E, Y. Grey. Then grim. G, R, I, M. Grim. G, R, I, M. Grim. Then great. G, R, E, A, T. Great. G, R, E, A, T. Great. I am a great boy, right? I am a great girl. So G, R, E, A, T. Great. Then growth. G, R, O, W, T, H. Growth. G, R, O, W, T, H. Growth. Then G, O, A, T. Goat. G, O, A, T. Goat. Okay. Can you repeat again? Greece, grey, grim, great, growth and goat. Greece, grey, grim, great, growth and goat. Okay. So let us resume again. Let's form some small letters with G. So G-O, go, G-O-D, God, G-O-N-E, gone, G-R-O-W, grow, then G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, then G-R-I-L-L, grill, Then we have grease, G-R-E-A-S-E, grease. Then grey, G-R-E-Y, grey. Then grim, G-R-I-M, grim. Then great, G-R-E-A-T, great. Then growth, G-R-O-W-T-H, growth. Yes. Then goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. So all of you should know the sounds and the words properly. So learn, and every day spend how many minutes? Yes, 15 minutes on English to master the language. Okay. Good. So thank you for watching Sri Sathya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Thank you. I request you to join our YouTube and subscribe Sri Sathya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam YouTube channel, and you have to press the bell icon also, so that you can get the intimations again and again and the notifications, so that you don't have to wait for the other classes. Okay. Bye bye.